Hello everyone, welcome to this channel new initiative Creative Data Insight. Uh, the purpose of this channel would be to deep dive into the data. We are living in the era of data. Each businesses, each individual, each company, every sector is generating continuously data. Now, the only thing is we have to understand the data, we have to bring the insight from the data. So, there is a one saying which says that when you look the things from your eyes, we call it sight. When you look the things from your mind, it insight. So please be stay on this channel. You will learn a lot of things. This channel is not only for the individual, this is also for the businesses, for the group of people who want to build their understanding on the data. The purpose of this channel, you will learn the entire journey of the data. You will understand from where we can collect the data, how we can store the data, and where we can store the data for the future purposes. And also we will understand the data cleaning, which is very needed before we generate any insight. And also we will talk about few tools which will be very helpful to analyze the data. We will talk about Excel, we will talk about Power BI, we will talk about Python, R, W, and many more tools. And we will also talk about how we can generate the insight from the data. At the same time, we will talk about few statistical formula which will be helpful in analyzing data. For an example, mean, median, mode, average. And we will also talk about the mathematical formula, which will be definitely helpful. So please stay on this channel. I'll make sure that you are learning, and I'm also bring very helpful content so that you can learn the things. I'll try to build your understanding. So this is a very welcome video. So I would like to invite all of you to please do like, share, and subscribe, and stay on this channel. Thank you so much.